This state ceremony is convened.
Ino yahota gukorwo iri o imwe ya dalili iria ikoretwo ikionekana king'ang'a-ini ya ndugamano iria riu itangihithika ringi gatagati ka munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua na abunge amwe kiama-ini kia UDA.
Former Vice President.
Umuthi igongona-ini ria gwikira kirore watho wa kamiti ya ithurano, mutongoria wa aria aingi mbunge-ini ya bururi KIMANI Ichung'wa aruga Gachagua na kuhe mweke mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka thutha ucio mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya AZIMIO RAILA ODINGA.
With those few remarks, Your Excellency, allow me to invite my co-chair, our former Vice President who co-chaired with me the NADCO process, to give his brief remarks.
Mutaratara-ini wa magongona ma kibururi, munini wa president niwe unyitaga ugeni mutongoria wa bururi, no handu ha kurumirira mutaratara uyu Ichung'wa ndanahe Gachagua kanya onaga kwaria, akihe kanya gaka ODINGA arute ndumiriri yake athutha ucio anyitio ugeni mutongoria wa bururi. Kiuria riu ari kana hihi uyu ni undu Ichung'wa eguthugundite hau gabere ugiakiririo ni mwatuka uria uriho kana hihi mauma o mahitia.
I now have the honor to invite the former Prime Minister, Your Excellency Honorable RAILA ODINGA, to give his remarks, and thereafter invite His Excellency the President.
Nona gukiri uguo thutha wa President Ruto kunyitwo geni aheane ndumiriri yake ni Raila, undu wa mbere uma kurunga mahitia mutaratara-ini uyu na amba kuhe munini wake kanya arute ndumiriri yake.
Those many remarks, Your Excellency. Now may I have pleasure to invite my brother President William Ruto to address you. Thank you.
I think before I make, just hold on, before I make some remarks, I have listened very carefully to the leaders who have spoken, and each one of them has spoken passionately about the future of our country, as it should be. But let me ask my deputy to make a few remarks so that I can conclude. Mr. Deputy President.
Ona thengia wa mahitia maya kwiyumiria, Gachagua ndanonekana gukua undu uyu no ritu ndumiriri-ini yake na thutha ucio acoka anyita ugeni President William Ruto.
With those few remarks, it's my duty to ask Your Excellency to address the country. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy President.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washage.
Your Excellencies,